Hello, my lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good and you all are safe at your place. Students, in today's video, we are going to learn how we can arrange numbers from big to small and small to big in our notebook. So, we are going to learn this with the help of an activity. So, let's start. So, students, now we are going to learn how we can arrange numbers in ascending order. That means small to big, and how we can arrange numbers in big to small. That is descending order. Okay. So students, when we arrange numbers small to big, we say it's ascending order. Okay. So you can see here are some numbers. Okay. And I am going to arrange these numbers small to big. Okay. So we will say it's ascending order. Okay. So let's start. So you can see here is number 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. So what we will have to do, we will see which is the smallest number here. So which is the smallest number here? It's 1. So I will take 1 and I will write number 1 here. Okay. So number 1. And I have taken number 1. So now we will not count number 1. ठीक है. सबसे पहले नंबर 1 यहाँ पे लिख लिया है, तो नंबर 1 को यहाँ पे हमने टिक कर लिया है ताकि अब हमें पता रहे कि हम इसको अभी काउंट नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ यू कैन सी here are these numbers. Okay. So 4, 5, 3, 2. Now you will have to tell me which is the smaller one among these numbers. It's 2. Okay. So 2 is smaller one. So we will write number 2 here and we will take number 2. Okay. We will write number 2 here, and now we will not count number 2 and number 1. Okay. Now we will see which is the smaller one among these numbers. So which is the smaller one? It's 3. Okay. So we will write 3 here. Okay. Now you can see I have written number 3 here, so I will take it, and now we will not count number 3 also. Now you will have to tell me which is the smaller one between 4 and 5. So it's 4. So I will write 4 here and I will take 4. Now which number is left? It's 5. So I will write 5 here. Okay students. So now you can see here is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So numbers किस में है? Increasing order में. That means small to big. पहले small आया, then उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, और then सबसे बड़ा. Okay. So small to big. So we have arranged these numbers small to big. That means we have arranged in ascending order. Okay. Got it? Now we will see these numbers 8, 9, 10, 6, 7. Now we will arrange these numbers in ascending orders. That means we will arrange these numbers small to big. Now you will have to tell me which is the smallest one. That is 6. सबसे छोटा तो 6 ही है ना. So we will write 6 here. And we will take it so that we can we can't count it. Okay, so now number 8, 9, 10, 7. Now which is the smaller one? 7. So we will write 7 here. Okay, now we will not count 6 and 7. Now which is the smaller one? It's 8. So we will write 8 here. Okay, so I will take 8. Now which is the smaller one between 9 and 10? It's 9. So we will write 9 here. Now which is left? Only 10. Okay, so we will write 10 in the end. So numbers are now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो आप देख सकते हैं ना कि स्मॉल टू बिग हमने इनको अरेंज कर दिया है. दैट मीन्स असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स नाउ यू कैन सी वी हैव अरेंज दीज नंबर्स इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ठीक है, तो स्टूडेंट्स अभी हमने क्या किया था? वी हैव अरेंज्ड दीज नंबर्स स्मॉल टू बिग. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अरेंज दीज नंबर्स big to small. Okay, so what do we call this method? It's descending order. ठीक है, पहले हमने ascending order किया था small to big. Now we are going to do big to small. Okay, so let's start. So first we will see which is the biggest number here. Which is the biggest number here? It's 5. Okay, so we will write number 5 first. Okay, so I have written number 5 here. Now which is bigger one among these numbers? Which is bigger one? It's 4. So I will write 4 here. Okay, so I have written 4 here, so I will mark number 4. अब हम इसको count नहीं करेंगे. Now you will have to tell me which is bigger one among these numbers. So which is bigger one? It's 3. So I will write 3 here. Okay, so I have written 3 here, so I will mark 3. Now we will see which is bigger one, 2 or 1. It's 2. Okay, क्योंकि 1 और 2 में कौन बड़ा है? It's 2. 2 बड़ा है, तो we will write 2 here. So students, now you can see among these numbers which is left. 1 is left, so I will write 1 here. ठीक है, now you can see first number is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the first number is 5, that is biggest among these number, and last number is 1, that is smallest number among these numbers. Okay, so we have arranged these numbers from big to small. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we have arranged these numbers in descending order. Okay, so we will arrange these numbers from big to small. So let's start. So you will have to tell me which is the biggest number among these numbers. Can you tell me? It's 10. सबसे बड़ा number तो 10 है ना? So we will write number 10 here. So you can see I have written number 10 here. So I will mark this number. आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि आप इसको ऐसे हाइड भी कर सकते हैं अपने हैंड से, ताकि आप इसको काउंट ना करें फिर से. ठीक है, तो मैं इसको इसलिए मार्क कर रही हूँ. नाउ यू कैन सी these numbers. Which is the bigger one among these numbers? So which is the bigger one? It's 9. So I will write 9 here. So you can see I have written number 9 here. Now you will have to tell me which is the bigger one among these numbers. So which is the bigger one? It's 8. So I will write 8 here. So students, I have written 8 here. Now number 6 and number 7 are left. So which is bigger one, 6 or 7? 7. Okay, so I will write number 7 here, then number 6. Okay, now you can see I have written number 7 here, number 6 here. Now students, you can see number 10, that is biggest number. Number 6, that is smallest number among these numbers. So we have arranged these numbers from big to small. ठीक है, सो हमने इनको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now you can see here are some numbers and I am going to arrange these numbers small to big. Okay, so we will do forward counting. अब हम इसको फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करते हुए अरेंज करेंगे. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी which is the smallest number. So which is the smallest number? 11, 13, 20, 15 or 17. You all know 11 is the smallest one. So I will write 11 here. Now students, you can see I have written 11 here. Now I will do forward counting. 11, what will come after 11? 12. But 12 is not here. So 12 के बाद क्या आता है? 13. So 13 is here. So I will write 13 here. After 11 I will write 13. Now I have written 13. After 11 I have written 13. Okay. Now I will again I will do forward counting. So what will come after 13? 14. So 14 is not here. Which number is here? 15. So 14 के बाद 15 आता है. So I will write 15 here. Okay. So students, after 13 I have written 15 here. Now you will have to see there are two numbers left, 20 and 17. So what will come after 15? 16. But number 16 is not here. After 16, what will be the next number? 17. So number 17 is here. So I will write 17 here. So I have written number 17 here. Now I will do forward counting again. After 17, here will be number 18, but number 18 is not here. After 18, what will be the next number? 19, but number 19 is not here. After 19, what will be the next number? Number 20. So you can see number 20 here. So we will write number 20 here. So आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स? यू विल डू फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. आपको फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करनी है और आपको देखना है कि अगर 11 के बाद 12 आता है बट 12 इज़ नॉट हेयर, सो यू विल स्किप दैट नंबर. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अरेंज दीज नंबर्स फ्रॉम बिग टू स्मॉल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी विच इज़ द बिगेस्ट नंबर हेयर. सो द बिगेस्ट नंबर इज़ 20. Okay, so we will write number 20 here. So students, I have written number 20 here. Now you will do backward counting. Okay, so 20 के पहले क्या आता है? 19, and 19 number is not here. 19 के पहले 18 and number 18 is not here. 18 के पहले 17, so number 17 is here. So I will write number 17 here. So students, I have written number 17 here. Now we will see कि number 17 के पहले क्या आता है. That is 16. So number 16 is not here. 16 के पहले, so students, 16 के पहले क्या आता है? 15. So number 15 is here. So I will write number 15 here. Okay, so I have written number 15 here. अब हम देखेंगे 15 के पहले क्या आता है, नंबर 14, बट नंबर 14 इज़ नॉट हेयर. 14 के पहले नंबर 13 and number 13 is here. So I will write number 13 here. So students, I have written number 13 here. Now I will see कि नंबर 13 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है, नंबर 12. So number 12 is not here. Now which number comes before 12? That is number 11, and number 11 is here. So I will write number 11 here. Okay. So students, in this way you can arrange number big to small. Okay. तो आप इस तरह से descending order में numbers को arrange कर सकते हैं by backward counting. Okay. Now we are going to learn how we can arrange numbers in ascending order and in descending order in our notebook. So let's start. You can see here are some numbers and we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending order. That means small to big. So first we will see which is the smallest number here. So the smallest number is number 2. So I will circle number 2. Okay, then I will write number 2 here. So I have written number 2 here. Now we will not count number 2 and we will see which is the smallest number here. Which is the smaller one? Number 4. So I will write number 4 here. Okay, and I will circle number 4. Now we will not count number 2 and number 4. We will see which is the smaller one among 8, 6 and 11. So which is the smaller one? 6. So I will write number 6 here. So I have written number 6 and I have circled it. Now we will see which is the smaller one between 8 and 11. So the number 8 is smaller one. So I will write number 8 here. Then I will write number 11 here. So students, I have written number 8 and then number 11 here. So in this way you can arrange numbers from small to big. Okay. आप देख सकते हैं हमने सबसे पहले नंबर 2 लिया, देन उससे बड़ा, फिर उससे बड़ा, फिर उससे बड़ा एंड फिर उससे बड़ा, एंड इट्स असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. और अब ये नंबर्स असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में है. ओके, इन द सेम वे यू कैन डू दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. स्टूडेंट्स, you can we are going to arrange these numbers in descending order. So first we will see which is the biggest number. So which is the biggest number here? 14. So I will circle this number and I will write number 14 here. Okay, so I have written number 14 here. Now we will not count number 14 and we will see which is the bigger one among these numbers. So which is the bigger one? So which is the bigger one? 10. So I will circle 10 and I will write number 10. So I will write number 10 here. Now we will see which is the bigger one among 5, 9 and 2. So which is the bigger one? Number 9. So I will write number 9 here. Okay, and I will circle it. Now number 5 and number 2 are left and we will see which is the bigger one. Which is the bigger one? Number 5. So I will write number 5 here and I will circle it. Now number 2 is left. So I will write number 2 here. So in this way I have arranged these numbers from big to small. You can see सबसे पहले यहाँ पे बिगेस्ट नंबर है नंबर 14, फिर उससे छोटा 10, उससे छोटा 9, उससे छोटा 5 एंड सबसे छोटा 2. So in this way students you can do question number 2 and you can arrange these numbers in descending order. Okay, I hope you all have understood this method. Students, I hope you all have understood this method. Now what you will do, you can do practice at your home in your notebook. So take many numbers and do practice. Okay, so now it's time to say bye bye.